Hi, we're here doing our extended neighborhood tour, and one of the things I did not want to leave out for the Christopher is you're going to have access, reasonably quick access to the Katy Trail. This is this beautiful trail that you see in front of me. This is one of the access points. This is Victory Overlook access point. Right across the street are some stairs that you can just hop on, and hey, let's see it. So. And I'm sorry, I said stairs. There's actually a trail. So the trail is over here. I walk on it, and that's what it looks like up there. So you got the trail there. That's amazing. And we're gonna actually get on it. But this is a wonderful trail, and you've got access to this at any time. It's unrestricted. It goes day and night. People love getting on this trail. They'll do it at during the day, at night. You'll see people all the time on the trail, just in getting a great workout. And it's a great social scene. It's a great way to meet people too, just so you know. So this is what it's like on the trail. It's a great feature of being, in this area in Victory Park, because this is where the trail starts. It also goes through uptown. It's about 3.6 miles of going through uptown, and this is a little bit more what the trail looks like. So that's very, very close to the Christopher. There's an access point that's close, walking distance, or at least a quick jog distance, let's put it that way. And this is a little bit more of what it looks like. Hey, if you're ready to find your perfect place in the uptown Victory Park, Oaklawn, or nearby, reach out. I'm the number one locator in the Dallas area. I'm the number one locator, not because I think I'm the number one area locator, but because I've been doing this for over 10 years. I've got the most knowledge, I've got the most industry contacts, and I know these buildings. I've visited literally just about every single one of the buildings in detail and have them all filmed. So you're not gonna find anybody that has better knowledge and really cares about you, and really cares about your lifestyle, and wants you to have a wonderful experience here in Dallas. So reach out to me at the number below. You can just text me at that number. You can also put in a request at uptown101.com/search. It's a free service. We'll find your perfect apartment here in the area, but we'll also find, if you're ready to just go to a townhome, home, condo for purchase, we'll help with that as well. Can't wait to help you with whatever you need here in the uptown area, and talk to you soon.